Obianu or prosecution ho 20 general office ho etimi ka asem e ma ne to asum se chairman Wontumi sabi no ni nkrata se betu vote o ya sase so enya ade akọt no edi achinie enti e kire se chairman Wontumi no krata e man ho kwan so betu efom agudie asem akọt no e kan ene se omugina so a omde chairman Wontumi akọtwe aban kukom ne se omo se chairman Wontumi krata na no kra na emrem no ho kwan so be kra sa krata no o de sa krata no ama obi se omfa nkoye adwuma.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for Abusia NPP mpanyifo edi nkoma JFK and Jackson from Ponkodwa edi animu ano mba be kire say there is no rebel lichama Wontumi 20 years esanse justice ewohwei enya selective Wontumi emfo obi enkonkogina court na wunja obi nso a woye the same thing ewo honom aya Ghana for you TV ena na me share me subscribe like comment na share na video no enkwachwe Abusia JFK edi nkomo bia odi mpanyifo bi di atudwa wo monso ansa ehye galamsey ase na o kire se ba ne sei ene fa chama Wontumi a ye jasa mpanyifo nyina ewo honom chama Wontumi eyade ayemanu krata kire se obetimi galamsey enti nkomo bai ena jaju ne omu edi ne sa no na chama Wontumi function team se de bebe bia no NPP fo ejina no chi abuja enu amadi nkomo expose amanfo bebera omonso ansa ehye galamsey no asibi kamwe Yankwati ankoma JFK edi ni biyaba yabedi nkoma mare mfisi Ghana for you TV ana na me share me subscribe like comment na share na video no enkwatwe yenti nkoma JFK edi ni bi ema
Jaja otenase a wodi Ashanti Regional Chairman Bernard Entribosi akwa asem no atemu a odi aba no eya atemu a achia na amaye nyina ya hu se sabi amayosem ena atemuafo no woye dia rawo ne se yadutum se Ghana emra ena ese ye adwuma na so emra ne nkyere se sabi obubu atan na achia me enka wasem asema eda court na nim enne court ni buaye no the tentini ni tetia ene se obianu wo a owo prosecution ho attorney general office ho etimi ka asem ema ne to asum se chairman Wontumi sabi no ni nkrata se obetu sabi gold o ya sase so eno enya ade a court no edi achinie enti a kire se chairman Wontumi no krata a man ho kwan so betu efom agudie asama court no eka ene se omugina so a omde chairman Wontumi akotwe aban kukom ne se omose chairman Wontumi krata na no kra na emrem no ho kwan so be kra sa krata no odi sa krata no ama obi se onfa nkoye adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sabi enchese Wontumi okoye galamsey efise title na na ekura no na emremu na edimu boni aban ne kaso waye ne se o se chairman Wontumi de ne krata ma obi akoye adwuma aban na mprenso na so e court no prosecution na ntima kire preference ampa adanse o kire se chairman Wontumi e de ne krata na sase ama obi se ofa nkoye adwuma aban no amprenso prosecution no o ntima kire Jaja wodi asem no ese amu ba ye be di adanse na asem o kan no eno no do tunsi enieni a ogina so a o ka se chairman Wontumi edifo eno ne mmem ye ka no circumstantial evidence na so man prove beyond reasonable doubt a back criminal prosecution ese prosecution na se court na edigina so ka asem no obi asem o ka kan ye eno nti na judge na gina so a o ka so de chairman Wontumi akotu aban no kukumu ye NPP party no de kan se o man pani mahama se o wo papa se illegal mine e friend galamsey no obeko ho na so betu ho esa ene wa bemu enkofo bebre wo ma wa okra oji tum se omuto na so omo ye galamsey o man pani de Ghana fo obusa ne se sa asem no akosi sen o party fo no no mo ye no ehu asem no akosi sen na akwakoye se omanpani ni NDC ahonhare a asem bi efa opposition fo no omo edekọ na se omo tu ho asa no ene sa ahonhare ni bi ena asem fa NDC fo ho a omo tu sa asa no egofo the petition koma yoko efa NDC or national organizer Joseph Yami ho ene omo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho se omo ye galamsey omanpani ni NDC fo ebusa mo se asem no akosi sen uye no fru a NDC mrasho bejani owo afano south east your friend Muhammad Yakubu ohene bi pamoni free na hemfie enam se oye galamsey hu no yebuso omanpani se akosi sen opa awowin MP or NDC MP ho friend honorable Oscar Ofrelabi eko bi FM Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso omanpani ni NDC fo ne se saa no mane nyina no akwa kosisen before saa akonya reso maka cho omanpani se ensema ehia Ghana fo hwe se obetu hu sa no ena hu sa na otu na emom no opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ade esi wo so Cocoa farmers for esu sabi encheye ene nsuo eyi fa amanfo omo nkran ha ene regents ni biaka omanpani ka nwodin a wode prosecute opponents no kasa nwodin ni bi no fa ko hye sa ntokwa we mu se be ya flag no nsem no engine nsem wo mem ha na de me kan ko wie ne se me hye titafo me hye mo boss NPP chema Wontumi enja ne mu me ka che mo se sabi ene ehia no NPP legal team for no ya ka che mo se omo file appeal no mo challenge decision a judge no edi aba na me wie no me pese wiasem nyina ati asese chema Wontumi abankoko ma de akotwe no eya mayosem sebi enya boni bi no akwakoye oye political prisoner amayosem ti ene de nakoto abankoko mu eya mayosem ti ana NDC aban ene nakoto abankoko mu na yakopo oti ase no yeni se ebrese mo nokre eba bede. The New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Ntwibo-Siakon, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment. Indeed, Chairman Wontumi is a political prisoner. We address you today with profound disappointment, but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy, and the pursuit of justice. While we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of a judgment that is fundamentally flawed. Our Constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process. That is precisely what we intend to do as a political party. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wontumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he has been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wontumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted before the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wontumi had assigned his mineral right. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government, we reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in galamsey of which the president knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC? We are asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohammed Yakubu, NDC MP for Ahafo North South, Ahafo North South East, and his DC who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determinations in those matters? Justice cannot be selective. And I repeat, justice cannot be selective. The fight against illegal mining cannot become credible only when it targets political opponents in respect of whom evidence of wrongdoing does not exist, while overlooking allegations involving others, especially from the president's own party. Ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to state that Ghana faces far greater than political persecution at a time when our nation is grappling with growing security threats, the devastating impact of illegal mining on our cocoa farmers and farming communities and the areas owned by farmers, the government's inadequate response to recent flooding across the country, and the increasing menace of terrorism within the sub-region, Ghanaians expect leadership that demonstrates urgency, competence, and an unwavering commitment to protecting lives, livelihoods, and national security. No government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecutions designed to create the appearance of success. Finally, let me assure all members of the New Patriotic Party and the good people of Ghana that Chairman Wontumi is not alone. There is no justification for the judgment since the judge obviously ignored clear evidence exonerating Wontumi. The New Patriotic Party stands firmly with him. Our legal team has already commenced the necessary steps to challenge his judgment through the appellate process. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. Near percent Ghana near Mansen in I who said, and
natural Sabusunaway answer on command NPP penny for Eddie. Now, soon before NPP for penny for a bedroom, 1 month for the breeding command. And command NPP penny for Babo and Samba Bedin, and a bachelor's almost far on this so. And I said, almost me crown so about Bemobile. Now, what's not saying while I was 20 years, sir? Yet I much am a wound me. And who he said, your man 20 years now, I said, Uncle Yansan so Fabi Anka 20 years no 20 years no so abroso. But me actually watching comment section at the mammy. Now command NPP for penny for AD Yabusia. Chama Wontumi. Yet the judgment no near sure ruling Nissan near make a capona. NPP for penny for bet me a baby at the watch Chama Wontumi and no space me actually watching comment section at the mammy Huguswa. I Ghana for you TV and I share. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share in the video. No catch you. But I'm so sure one simple film. Macram.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Ghana for you TV.
Yan kanta egumi so asew empanyin so ne wafuru duapa ne piano ne opa bibia kokotoko ne nye na bro o konfo e ho na me scan twitter ye na me kire wo mo me hyira wo ayo kase pia.